Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day, all by drinking a simple glass of lemon water. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stay with me because today we're diving into the science-backed benefits of this golden morning ritual. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to make it part of your daily routine. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves simple yet powerful health hacks, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore why so many health experts swear by lemon water and how it can transform your body inside and out. Let's start with the basics, hydration. After hours of sleep, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps, but adding lemon takes it to another level. The electrolytes in lemon, like potassium and magnesium, help replenish lost fluids and keep you energized throughout the day. Ever feel bloated or sluggish in the morning? Lemon water can work wonders for digestion. The citric acid in lemons stimulates digestive enzymes, which helps your body break down food more efficiently. Plus, it encourages the production of bile, a key component in digestion. This means less bloating, less discomfort, and better nutrient absorption. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which is like a natural shield for your immune system. A single lemon contains about 30 to 40% of your daily vitamin C needs. This vitamin helps your body fight off infections, speeds up recovery, and even promotes collagen production for healthier skin. Your liver is your body's natural detoxifier, and lemon water helps it function more efficiently. The antioxidants in lemon, especially a compound called D-limonene, aid in flushing out toxins and keeping your liver in top shape. Think of it as giving your body a fresh start every morning. If you're on a journey to lose weight or maintain a healthy one, lemon water can be your best friend. It's not a magic weight loss potion, but it helps in a few key ways. First, it keeps you hydrated, which can prevent unnecessary cravings. Second, the pectin fiber in lemons helps curb hunger. And finally, drinking lemon water before meals may support better digestion and metabolism. Want clear, glowing skin? Lemon water might be your answer. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons help combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, hydration is key to plump, healthy-looking skin. Here's something interesting. Lemon water doesn't just wake up your body, it wakes up your brain too. The refreshing scent of lemon has been linked to reduced stress and increased focus. Plus, the hydration and vitamin C work together to keep brain fog at bay, helping you stay sharp throughout the day. All right, now that you're convinced of its benefits, let's talk about the right way to prepare it. It's simple. 1. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. 2. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach. 3. If the taste is too strong, you can add a bit of honey or a pinch of sea salt for extra benefits. 4. Avoid drinking it too hot or too cold, as that can shock your digestive system. And there you have it, the simple yet powerful habit of drinking lemon water every morning. It's a small change that can bring big benefits to your overall health. So are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments below if you already drink lemon water or if you're planning to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with someone who needs a little morning boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.